If you've pre-drilled your wall and determined that it's hollow, then you're going to need to use a wall anchor. My preferred wall anchor is a Toggler TB. It looks just like this. This would be what's visible from the wall, and this would be the part that would look like if you were able to look at behind the wall. Now I'm going to show you how to install this Toggler TB anchor, wall anchor. First off, you have to make about a 5/16 inch hole, and the way I do it is with awl. And once you pre-drilled, then you know exactly where you're going, and you just do a circular motion in order to get the hole to whatever diameter. And my experience tells me that that is the perfect size right there. And then you fold this in half. You see there's a little bit of a crease there. And so this is what it looks like when it's pinched. And then if this is the top of the wall, then I would normally go where it's like this instead of like this orientation. So you get it lined up in there, and then you have to use a small hammer, not a big hammer. We're not building houses. This one happens to have a nylon and a rubber end. I always use a nylon end. You want to tap it in where it's nice and flush. And then they come in a box, one of these little red plungers, and they say not to use a hammer. You may be able to pop it with your hand. I don't know if you heard that, but it did pop. And you can tell because the plunger's all the way down in there. And so then, whatever your bracket is, whether it's a direct mount or if it's a mount plate, my preferred combination with Toggler TB is a number 8 screw. And this happens to be a number 8 hex head 1.5 inches. And then I like the hex head, so I put my hex head bit driver on my drill. And you can secure it down as tight as necessary. If you have the luxury of seeing what it looks like on the other side of the wall, this is what it should be looking like. Lay it nice and flat, and it will actually be tighter once you put the screw in there nice and tight. It will draw this bubbled part here tighter to the wall.